How will you navigate a new city? How will you navigate a new city? I will use a map and ask for directions. I will use a map and ask for directions. Will you participate in a book club? Will you participate in a book club? Yes, I will discuss book with fellow readers. I will discuss book with fellow readers. What will you do to boost your confidence? What will you do to boost your confidence? I will celebrate my achievements. I will celebrate my achievements. Why will you learn to ride a skateboard? I will enjoy the thrill of skating. I will enjoy the thrill of skating. When will you try a new restaurant? When will you try a new restaurant? I will dine out this Friday. I will dine out this Friday. How will you handle a busy day? How will you handle a busy day? I will prioritize tasks and stay organized. I will prioritize tasks and stay organized. Will you start a collection of something? Will you start a collection of something? Yes, I will collect stamps. I will collect stamps. What will you do if you forget someone's birthday? What will you do if you forget someone's birthday? I will apologize and send a belated card. I will apologize and send a belated card. Why will you explore a career change? Why will you explore a career change? I will seek new challenges and opportunities. When will you visit a local art gallery? When will you visit a local art gallery? I will go this month. I will go this month. How will you overcome language barriers while traveling? How will you overcome language barriers while traveling? I will learn basic phrases in the local language. I will learn basic phrases in the local language. Will you try your hand at gardening? Will you try your hand at gardening? Yes, I will plant flowers in my backyard. Yes, I will plant flowers in my backyard. What will you do if you miss a bus? What will you do if you miss a bus? I will wait for the next one or consider alternative transportation. Why will you learn to play chess? Why will you learn to play chess? I will enhance my strategic thinking skills. I will enhance my strategic thinking skills. When will you start a creative writing project? When will you start a creative writing project? I will begin next week. I will begin next week. How will you balance work and personal life? How will you balance work and personal life? I will set boundaries and prioritize self-care. I will set boundaries and prioritize self-care. Will you join a language exchange program? Will you join a language exchange program? Yes, I will practice speaking with native speakers. Yes, I will practice speaking with native speakers. What will you do if you feel overwhelmed? I will take a break and practice mindfulness. I will take a break and practice mindfulness. Why will you learn to knit? Why will you learn to knit? I will create handmade gifts for friends. I will create handmade gifts for friends. When will you try a new recipe? When will you try a new recipe? I will cook something new this weekend. I will cook something new this weekend. How will you stay focused during studying? How will you stay focused during studying? I will eliminate distractions and set goals. I will eliminate distractions and set goals. Will you attend a live concert? Will you attend a live concert? Yes, I will enjoy live music performance. I will enjoy live music performance. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.